As part of our U.S. immigration learning series, today we will talk about the USCIS 90-day rule for United States immigration. The 90-day rule is a USCIS guideline used to determine whether green card applicants did ever misled the United States government officers when they were granted visas or admitted to the country. In this video, we will understand what is the 90-day rule, who does the 90-day rule apply to, and how does it impact your U.S. immigration journey if rule is broken.
Visit our Swat&Vee channel with your questions to see how best we can help you out your process. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel.
Now, let's get into the video and try to understand the topic in details. Let's first understand, what is the 90-day rule? Anyone who comes to United States on a non-immigrant temporary visa. The 90-day rule is a method to determine for any violation of their non-immigrant status for the first 90 days from the date of entry. The violation includes any activity that is inconsistent with the temporary status granted. This new 90-day rule is a replacement of the old 30/60th day rule, which essentially served the same purpose. You might be aware that work visas such as H-1B and L-1 are known as dual intent, which means visa holder is allowed to use the work visa while simultaneously can plan to relocate permanently to the United States. So applicant with dual intent visas don't need to worry about the 90-day rule. Other temporary visas that are single intent, which means that a person applying for such a visa or using it to enter the United States is stating their non-immigrant intent, means that their intention is to use the visa only for the specified purpose, such as tourism, business, or study, and to leave again afterwards. So sometime when people come to United States with single intent, but if they find someone to marry or apply for a green card, or conduct certain other activities, such as unauthorized work or study, such temporary visa holders become a risk of being found to have misrepresented original intent. Although it is important to know that, single intent, visa holders are allowed to change their mind once they are in the United States, and marry or apply for a green card, as long as they came to the country with the original intention of leaving. So you must be wondering, how can the government know whether an applicant originally intended to leave or not? To solve that problem, USCIS uses the 90-day rule, which states that temporary visa holders who marry or apply for a green card within 90 days of arriving in the United States are automatically presumed to have misrepresented their original intentions. Now, let's see, who does the 90-day rule apply to? The 90-day rule applies to all non-immigrant visa holders who enter the United States for the purposes of a temporary stay, other than those who use dual intent visas such as H, L, or O visas. If single intent visa holder engages in the following activities during the first 90 days, they could be judged to have misrepresented their original intentions when applying for a visa or entering the United States. The activities are: Number 1. Enrolling in an unauthorized course of study, without a proper student visa. Number 2. Engaging unauthorized employment. Number 3. Entering into a marriage with a U.S. citizen or green card holder. Number 4. Filing an adjustment of status green card application, Form I-485. If any of above activities happen after the visa holder's first 90 days in the United States, they won't automatically be presumed to have misrepresented their original intent. Now, let's see what happens if someone breaks the 90-day rule. It's important to remember that while the 90-day rule tells USCIS officers to presume misrepresentation of intent, it also allows applicants to present evidence to the contrary. If an applicant can convince the USCIS officer that they came to the United States without misrepresenting their plans, and that their intentions genuinely changed during the 90 days after they arrived in the United States, they may still be approved for a green card. If a single intent visa holder gets married or files a green card application within 90 days of entering the United States, the USCIS officer who reviews their case will presume that they entered the United States for reasons other than they originally claimed. That perceived deception is taken very seriously by the government, and the applicant would likely have their green card application denied, and their existing visa could also be revoked.
I hope you guys found this video extremely helpful. If you know anybody that could benefit from this information, definitely make sure to share this video with them. We are all about empowering you with knowledge. So the more people that can benefit from this video, the more people we want watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs icon. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!